how to check your recently watched Instagram reels. So basically guys, Instagram does not have a specific feature to view a history of all the reels you have watched in the app, but you can definitely see those reels you have liked. So make sure that you like the reel in order to watch them again. So once you have liked the reel, you can go to the your profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile icon, then you will be navigated to your profile, and then tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner. After you tap on it, scroll down and tap on the your activity option available there, and inside your activity look for the likes option available there, and you will find recently liked Instagram reels option available here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.